You are not the master of your own house. You think you make your own choices. You think you decide to pick up your phone, you think you decide to skip the gym, and you think you decide to indulge in that habit just one last time. You are wrong. There is a ghost in the machine of your mind pulling the levers. And until you confront it, you are just a passenger in a vehicle headed for a crash. Carl Jung, one of history's most dangerous psychologists, discovered the root of this loss of control. He didn't call it laziness, and he didn't call it lack of discipline. He called it the shadow. Think about the characters you admire most, the ones who become unstoppable forces of nature. They didn't gain control because they were good or nice. They gained control because they stopped suppressing the monster inside them and learned how to drive it. Most people live their entire lives afraid of their own darkness. They stay nice. They stay harmless. And because of that, they stay weak. Today we are killing that version of you. By the end of this video, you will learn the exact psychological protocol to stop fighting yourself, integrate your dark side, and finally take the wheel. Society has lied to you. From the moment you were born, you were told to be a good person. You were told to suppress your anger, hide your selfishness, and deny your darker impulses. You were told that self-control means starving the beast. This is a trap. A harmless man is not a good man. A harmless man is a weak man who hasn't been tested. When you bury your anger, your greed, or your ambition, it doesn't die. It rots. It turns into resentment. It turns into a subconscious saboteur. This isn't just philosophy, it is biology. Your brain is hardwired for aggression, for dominance, and for dopamine. When you try to use willpower to crush these instincts, your subconscious declares war on your conscious mind. This is why you self-sabotage. This is why you can go 3 days being perfect, only to crash and burn on the 4th day. It is your shadow screaming for attention. You aren't losing control because you are broken. You are losing control because you are fighting a civil war against your own biology. And the shadow always wins. Now stop. Because here is where 99% of people fail. They hear this and think, okay, so I should just let go? I should just act on every impulse and become a villain. No, that is not power. That is slavery. If you act on every dark impulse, you are just a child throwing a tantrum. You are still being controlled, just in a different way. True integration isn't about letting the monster out of the cage to destroy your life. It is about entering the cage and becoming the alpha. It is about realizing that the energy you are using to fight yourself is the same energy you could be using to build yourself. So, how do we stop the war? How do we regain control? We use a 3-step protocol. Step 1, the projection audit. You are going to look at the people you hate. The arrogance you despise in others? That is your own repressed confidence trying to break free. The greed you judge? That is your own starved ambition. We project our shadow onto others because we are too afraid to carry it ourselves. Stop judging them. These aren't your enemies. They are reflections of the power you have denied yourself. Acknowledge that you are capable of those same things. That is the first step to closing the gap. Step 2, the dialogue. The next time you feel the urge to lose control, to scroll, to eat, to quit, do not use willpower. Willpower is a battery and yours is empty. Instead, use curiosity. Sit in the dark and ask your shadow what it wants. It doesn't want to hurt you, it wants to protect you. Your binge eating is a mechanism to numb pain. Your procrastination is a mechanism to avoid fear of failure. Stop treating these impulses like waste products and start treating them like data. When you label the feeling, you separate yourself from it. You go from being the puppet to being the observer. Step 3, transmutation. Once you acknowledge the monster, you put it to work. This is the secret of the greats. They don't get rid of their anger. They channel it into a relentless work ethic. They don't get rid of their lust. They transmute it into focus and drive. Energy cannot be destroyed, only transferred. You don't need to stop wanting dopamine. You need to change the target. You need to train your brain to get its hit from progress, from pain, and from conquering difficult tasks. The world doesn't need more nice people who can't control their own impulses. It needs whole people. It needs dangerous people who have their swords sheathed but sharp. When you integrate your shadow, you stop fighting yourself. And when you stop fighting yourself, you have zero internal friction. You move with total speed and total clarity. This is the difference between the amateur and the master. The amateur tries to kill his demons. The master makes them work for him. If you are ready to stop being a victim of your own mind, subscribe. But don't just watch. Execute. If you want to understand the next layer of this psychological trap, watch the next video. The rewiring continues there.